Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I did my DIY 3D floral background. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you was the grass. So to hold this grass up, we actually used medium-sized nails. We thought that it would be a good idea because the material of the grass is so heavy. We had an empty space, like a little dining space that we weren't really doing anything with. So I was like, let's get a little creative. So I thought it was a good idea to take a few nails and nail the grass to the wall. So this is essentially what it looks like. It is seamless. You cannot see anything and it holds the material up very well. This material is very heavy. This is the fake grass from Home Depot. We paid about $100 for it because our ceilings are so tall. But this is what it looks like when it is nailed to the wall. So let's get into how we get these flowers. So this is my favorite part, guys. So I purchased these flowers from Dollar Tree. I purchased these around Valentine's Day. So you can only imagine how many of those I got for $1, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is take one of the roses off of the stems. It doesn't matter. You can get same color roses. You can get different type of flowers, whatever you prefer. So this is what the flower actually looks like off of the stem. So the next thing that I do is I always like to use thumbtacks. So it's super easy. All you have to do is put the thumbtacks through the flower and put the flower on the wall. It doesn't get any easier than that. So you want to make sure you put it and you stick it really hard because you don't want it to fall off. So this is what it looks like. Here are some other examples of what I did with other flowers. As you see, I have a blue thumbtack. You don't have to have the same color thumbtacks. I just walked by and was like, let me, do a floral wall. So I got the first thing that I seen. And I believe I got these from Dollar Tree as well. But this is what the red one looks like. Here is the pink one. Super cute. Like, you can't even see the thumbtacks. Some of them you can, but when I'm recording, you all can't see the thumbtacks at all. So I really like this method. It's super easy and it's super quick. Alrighty guys, so I also wanted to show you my waterflower rose method, or others may call it the draping method. So I had a few roses that I thought it would be a good idea to wrap string around, just to give it like that fuller effect and just to give it like a different type of vibe. So you just want to take your ribbon and you just want to wrap it around your flower. So you want to make sure that the string goes underneath the flower. It's going to give the string a sense of security and it's going to be really tight on the flower. So it's super easy. You don't need any glue or anything with this. I thought it would be a cool idea to do this. It doesn't really take a long time to do. I guess it just depends on how long you want them to be and how many flowers. But essentially, this is what it looks like. You can do the same exact method, guys. All you have to do is put the thumbtack through the flower and put the flower on the wall. It's that simple. But I just wanted to show you all, this is what it essentially looks like when all of the string is wrapped around. Okay, so it's super cute and super easy. This doesn't have to necessarily be used for just YouTube. You can use this for like baby showers, birthday parties, bridal parties, and just get creative and use what you already have. But on another note, guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Those who are back at my channel, thank you for coming back. Those who are new, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching.